is the T16000m FCS Hotas. Let's check it out. Just got this in the mail. Right, this can't be done with one hand. Trying to hold the camera with my beard. Does not work. Put this aside for a moment. Okay, so this is what was in the box. Also, two brochures. So here's a new T16000M, right next to the original T16000M that I still use, and it's actually connected. You can see the color scheme is different, but other than that, it feels much the same. The Coley head is somewhat different. I'm not sure if better or not. That I will see if I actually use the joystick. Also, the trigger is wider here on the sides than it is in the original one. Now to the throttle, which is probably the more interesting part. First look of the throttle. Not as giant as it looked in the pictures from the manufacturer, which is nice. So you get 3 Coley heads on the side, one button, one joystick in the back, a two-way switch and 2 buttons, and another two-way switch. Resistance feels smooth and light, but not so light as that it would be annoying. Although, from my opinion, it could be a bit stiffer. But it seems to be a nice throttle, and I think if you want to go into a Hotas and don't want to spend $300 or more, this is probably the Hotas you want. Thank you for watching. See you next video. A quick addendum, which is filmed about half a minute later. Of course, I forgot to show the items for the grip that you need to make a left-handed joystick out of the joystick. Of course, since you can't make the throttle right-handed, in this context it does only make sense if you only use the joystick without the throttle. The same things are available and in the package with the original T16000M. Of course, in that case in grey instead of in black. The left side is held by one screw through the joystick, and the right side can just be taken off. As you can see, or not, a bit dark here. There's 3 holes here. Let me see if I can get it into focus. Nope, too dark, black on black. Well, it's pretty self-explanatory if you see it yourself. Welcome to the unboxing of the T16000m FCS Hotas. Let's check it out. Just got this in the mail. Afraid this can't be done with one hand.